Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Kraken stack GPO. Start by auditing current GPOs and backing up any linked objects before you change settings. Then plan a clear stacking order and name conventions so you can trace policy sources quickly. Use a test OU and gradual rollout to catch conflicts early and avoid negative user impact. Keep a rollback plan and document each change for troubleshooting and audits. Kraken stacking relies on clear precedents and predictable inheritance, so always map your OU structure first and decide which policies must win. Apply minimal privileges when editing and use version tags in names to simplify rollbacks and audits. Consider combining related settings into single GPOs to reduce conflict surface and maintain readability. Keep a concise changelog and involve stakeholders early to prevent surprises during rollout and testing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical IT guides. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a comfy companion for policy docs and downtime, and its long battery life means fewer interruptions while you review GPO plans. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want a great reading device. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by creating baseline GPOs that cover security, desktop, and applications, then link them to a controlled test OU for validation. Use resultant set of policy and GPResult to verify the effective settings on target machines and adjust stacking order if conflicts appear. Roll out changes incrementally and monitor event viewer, client logs, and user feedback to catch regressions. Always maintain backups and clear naming conventions for speedy rollbacks and audits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.